guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing of my cousin. This is actually our second show and she's new. Yeah. And if you haven't seen my video of me unboxing my pinkpalmpuff in the hoodie pink opal, you should go and check that out right after this video. Okay, so she's going to go and get you the pinkpalmpuff hoodie. It's just so cute. I hope you guys like it.
Okay, so this is the classic.
It's
we
the
both
front.
have the same.
It's in the clouds.
She's got the pink one that has the pink sign with like the white hoodie, and then I've got the grey with the blue writing, and pinkpalmpuff at the back in blue. I'm gonna try it on for you guys too.
Yeah, it's really cute.
Yeah, it's cutesy.
And I just love the back. Don't you guys think the back's the best part? For me, the back is like the best part.
Yeah, just like the main attraction. Okay, stop dancing. It's just weird. Okay, so this is the
hoodie.
fit. It's the fit.
So yeah, and I hope you guys all liked it, and don't forget to like and subscribe. We love you guys. Bye.